So just as you did when you were trying to collect together all the logos, this time go and have a look and see if you can find similar business related websites and go onto them and have a look, see if they've got any nice imagery, any good logos, any nice typography, and just take screenshots of all those little bits too. Now collect them all together and you can put them in a folder and perhaps drop them into iPhoto. What I quite like to do is actually create a mood board where I actually paste it all up in a layout program and then I print it out. What you can also do is create a physical mood board by getting a large sheet of paper, and then I'll collect together a stack of magazines on a similar related subject. So in this case, Brian mentioned that his audience read The Economist, so that was one of the magazines I picked. Then just tear up any nice graphics, anything that catches your eye really from the magazines, and paste them all up onto a large sheet of paper.